Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of this mobile Wi-Fi. So yeah, stick around and make sure you watch the full video. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing video of this 4G LTE modem hotspot mobile Wi-Fi. And yeah, so first things first, you open the box. Then when you open the box, the first thing you're going to see is the mobile Wi-Fi, which is this. So then you open the second layer, then you're going to see the battery and the charging cord. You can see here. So first things first, this is the unboxing, and then how it works. Then you're going to get the paperwork. You should go through that to know how to use it. You should definitely go through that. So, and what you have to do, you have to bring the modem out first, and the modem is out. This is it. Then you have to open it up. You have to open it up, and when you open it up, you can see, okay, this is the modem. Then you have to insert your SIM card. In this case, I'm going to be using an MTN SIM card. Sorry, it's not focusing on it right now, but yeah, so you can see this is an MTN SIM card. So you have to insert it into this slot. So first off, I'm talking of features of this. You have a 2100 milliamps battery, and you can connect up to 10 devices. So that is basically it. You have to bring out the battery. This is the battery, you can see, and then you have to put it in to the Wi-Fi. Then you have to put it on. Then you have to cover it up. Cover it up, the first thing you have to do is you have to power the device on. You can see it has shown light, so it is on. So yeah, you should be getting ready for part 2 of the video. So this is just the unboxing, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use this in the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and major.